Gross weight recorded, proceed to the yard.
Inside the bay, high-speed steel blades pulverize the leveled cane. The raw fiber is instantly transferred to connecting conveyors.
B changes.
Flow rates are stabilizing at nominal.
Inside the clarifier, gravity separates the treated juice. Impurities sink to the bottom, while clear juice rises. The settled mud is pumped onto the drum. Clear juice is pulled right through the grid. A fixed blade scrapes away the solids. Sugar syrup enters the tower for clarification. Automated valves control the precise gas flow. These raw sugar crystals have just been separated. Still damp and warm, they move toward the refining section. Workers inspect the stream to ensure consistent quality. Raw sugar crystals are fed into a heated melter tank. A technician checks the liquor's density. This ensures precise quality control. Inside this tall reaction vessel, raw sugar liquor is purified. Automated pumps inject carbon dioxide acid. This creates a fine precipitate that traps all impurities.
Pressure is holding steady at 4 bar. Flow rate looks optimal. Flow rate looks optimal.
The decolorization process begins here. These columns strip away all remaining pigments, leaving a perfectly crystal clear liquid.
Under a precise vacuum, the pure liquor begins to crystallize. Perfect white crystals.
The color is perfect on this batch, pure white and completely dry.
The cooled sugar enters the vibrating sieve stack. Series of screens sort crystals by size. Flow rates look optimal on screen, separating fine, medium, and coarse grades.
Silo 4 is nearing capacity. Copy that. Continuous line is running within normal parameters.
The sequence looks stable now. Yes, the alignment is perfect on layer 5.
Manifest for shipment 40B is verified.